Man, I gotta tell you, this storm just came out of friggin' nowhere. Holy shit. That's all dust. All that is dirt in the air. Blowing in off the hill, that's all dirt. I'll be posting this, I'm just completely shocked, you know, from my backyard here. I better get inside. There's my power pole. Put some flashlights together. Yeah, the dirt's just getting in my eyes. If you can see that, all that right there is dirt, and there's lightning bolts over there. Crazy. And this thing just kicked in. Just a minute. I came out to, wow. Crazy. All right. Well, kind of dark, but let me know what you guys think.